Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's day 2 on the 67 Barracuda. Today I brought my compressor, I brought my pressure washer, brought the truck, and we have that hose right there sitting in the sun for now because I can't get it to unravel. It's so cold, but I want to do this now while the sun's still out. We're gonna finish disassembling the engine. We're almost done. Yesterday we got pretty far. We're gonna take off these main caps here, take the crank out, take the timing cover off, timing chain cam, spray this with degreaser and get it outside. So this is where we're starting today. Let's get to it. Off the timing cover. Look at this timing chain. That's some change, huh? Alright. Oh, we'll keep going. Got the engine rolled out here. We're gonna start spraying it down with the degreaser. While that's soaking and doing its thing, we're gonna get the pressure washer ready and try to clean this up. So we pressure washed the oil pan, but some of that stuff didn't come off, so I poured some gasoline in there, and we're gonna scrub it with a steel brush. Try to get this as clean as possible.
Go on then. Tell me what I gotta do.
When you get a chance, clean this. Get all that black stuff off so that we can paint it and clean the inside so that you're not sucking in trash
Okay.
into when we put the new engine, we'll put the engine together. Same thing here. Clean the outside. You might have to get a rag with brake clean, whatever. Clean all that. Get that clean.
Okay.
Go over this and make sure that it has WD-40 and the bores, the lifter bores, just so that it doesn't rust. Yeah, make sure that doesn't have water in it. Go with the compressor, blow stuff out. Get the head soaking in that degreaser and that plastic thing down there. And then on another day, we'll take it out, we'll brush it, we'll clean it up, pressure wash it, same thing with the WD-40. And then we'll lap the valves and we'll do all that stuff another day. The crank, clean that up, brake clean, whatever you gotta do, just get it clean and then WD-40 it. Next time I come, we'll get the sandpaper and we'll clean up the journals. We gotta get that gear off, the timing gear, because we're gonna get a new one. So that's what you're gonna do with that. The pistons. Get one of those things down there, fill it up with about 1 inch or 2 of gasoline, and just submerge the rings from about here down. Once you see that this is all getting soft, you could clean it up, clean all the carbon off. Use a nylon brush. Don't use the steel ones that we were using on the other thing. All this stuff, clean it. This you could degrease. You could put this thing in the degreaser. The timing cover, also clean that, degrease that. This, clean it with brake clean. Those, you could degrease them if you want. The one on the back, you're gonna have to clean. All this stuff just needs to get cleaned. You don't need me here for all of that. When you're done cleaning when you're done soaking the pistons, get a piston. I'll get you a piston ring plier so you can take a piston ring off, break it, and use the machine part to clean the groove all around the pistons.
All right.
And when I see you at work, I'll give you the piston ring tool thing. All this stuff, clean it. If you have to sand it so we can paint it, make it look nice. But just you want everything clean so we could do the minimal amount of new stuff as possible. Save money there, do it all yourself. I think the flat wheel, we're gonna send that to get resurfaced. We'll probably do that after the holidays. The oil pan, get that cleaned. If it's all busted and you can't get it real clean and it has bends, like where the seating surface is at, we'll just get a new one. But for now, you can focus on all that stuff. Have you been filming this whole time?
Yeah.
All right, well, just send me this video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.